tunnels. It is minus 15 degrees and we have decided to go to Niagara Falls. This is my first time from Canadian side. This is my third time in Niagara. The Canadian side is really better than American side.
Nobody else, down outside. Nobody else, and I on you. Nobody else, down outside. Nobody else.
It is so beautiful with the snow and there is ice all over the place. It is a different perspective. Time for the next waterfall. Okay, I am near Tews Falls. Holy shit, this is good. I didn't even expect this. I thought there was no water. Look at how deep it is. Alright, that's it for this fall. Time to go to the next one. Next up is Tiffany Falls. There's a bit of a hike to go to the falls. Let's go. Ice is very slippery. It's gonna be dangerous walking and don't have any snowshoes. But yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. That's about it. Until next adventure. See you.
Preview.